Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2012 on a 12 plate Volkswagen Tiguan S. This is the 2-litre turbo diesel with the 4Motion 4-wheel drive technology and an automatic gearbox, finished in Java metallic, and it's covered just 74,000 miles. So have a good walk around this lovely looking automatic 4-wheel drive diesel Tiguan, ever popular these on the used market. We've sold bucket loads of them over the years, and this is quite a rare colour on this one, the Java metallic, like a browny gold sort of nice metallic colour. March 2012 registered, 74,000 miles, just the two owners from new. We've got these nice silver 16-inch alloy wheels, they're in good shape, properly maintained right the way through its life. 11 service stamps in the book, including it's had more than one. It's had 2 Cambelt replacements, but the last one was in 2021, so thoroughly well maintained mechanically right the way through. You got that lovely DSG automatic gearbox, 4Motion technology, parking sensors on the rear there. You've got that higher seating position, so it does make access a lot easier. You've got front parking sensors as well, so visibility's good. Plenty of space, but not too big, like a massive 4-wheel drive. +40 miles to the gallon, comfortably, according to Volkswagen. You might get 50 on a run. As we have a look inside, nice and clean and tidy. Seats are in good shape, no rips or tears or any nasties. I don't think it's had a particularly hard life. All the door cards are okay. This comes supplied with 2 remote keys, 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable and heated door mirrors. It's got carpet mats in the front. Steering wheel's in good order. There's your mileage, 74560. Then down below we've got a couple of cup holders. We've got electronic handbrake, auto hold. We've got some storage at the back with a 12-volt socket and auxiliary. There's your automatic gearbox with the 4Motion. Down below it does have the upgrade of park assist. Parking sensors front and rear, like I said. It does have start-stop facility, which of course you can switch off. In the glove box we've got all your handbooks. Up above, very straightforward Volkswagen layout, so you've got DAB digital radio, CD player. Down below you've got your air conditioning, and it's as easy as that. Bit of storage at the top. Just a very straightforward, nice place to be, as with all Volkswagens, to be honest. Into the rear, loads of room of course, plenty of leg room, electric windows in the back. 3 headrests with 3 proper seat belts, and of course the ISOFIX for the child seats, so really comfortable 5-seater. Plenty of headroom. Obviously the colour is a little bit Marmite. I think it makes it look a classy bit of kit, but I'll let you be the judges of that. Parcel shelf at the top, split folding rear seats, and then you've got this good sized boot space, nice flat load space as well, no big horrible lip to negotiate. This does lift out and gives you the luxury of the get you home spare wheel, and your locking wheel nut keys there as well. So there we have it, March 2012 Volkswagen Tiguan S. This is the 2-litre turbo diesel 4-wheel drive with an automatic gearbox, 74,000 miles from just 2 owners. Full 11 stamp service history, including a Cambelt replacement in 2021. Finance is available from less than £160 a month, based on a 10% deposit. And the car will come supplied with a fresh advisory free MOT. We'll also be servicing the car, and it does come with 2 remote keys along with our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via our email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Excellent value for money, really well maintained, always so popular these, so I'm sure it won't be here long. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.